Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
With apify-sdk-python handling storage access, you turn web scrapers into products. But how do serverless actors monetize them? This official library handles the actor lifecycle alongside storage access and platform events. The guide details usage examples, related projects, features, and community support options. It is published on PyPI as the Apify package and can be installed with optional Scrappy support. Your code runs inside an async context that initializes the actor and tears it down when it finishes. These serverless programs scale scrapers on the platform where you can monitor, publish, and monetize them directly. Fetching live Valorant Esports scores with vlrggapi handles 600 requests per minute, but how does it keep data reliable? As the central project header, vlrggapi marks the primary focus of this repository. Because the hosted URL exceeded free tier limits, developers are advised to self-host the API for now. If this tool helps your applications, you can support ongoing maintenance and feature development through Ko-Fi. To quick start locally, developers can inspect interactive docs at the root or test news endpoints using curl commands. Key highlights include consistent response envelopes, validation, and per-endpoint catching that guarantee reliable API responses. In version 2.2, Cupid Crufwowel tracks missing persons on adult platforms, but stay tuned to see how results are exported. This open-source intelligence tool crawls adult video, dating, and escort platforms to identify missing individuals. Explore the documentation section to quickly jump between installation instructions, usage guides, and contributing links. Meeting project requirements demands Python 3.6 or higher alongside the requests and rich packages. Simply clone the repository from GitHub, change into the directory, and install necessary requirements. Finally, run Python 3 with export arguments to save your search results into a clean HTML file. Refreshing every 15 minutes VPSLab-Free-Proxy-List prevents broken scraper connections. But how do you grab them instantly? The project is dedicated to hosting fresh proxy servers around the globe for web scraping and private browsing. Developers get global coverage across countries without needing any API key, account registration, or usage limits. Starring the repository helps other engineers discover automated proxy feeds, while watching it delivers new feature alerts. A structured file index categorizes available IPs by protocol, SSL support, anonymity levels, and exact proxy counts. You can download targeted lists directly using curl without sign-up, securing immediate, hassle-free automation. Proxify delivers over 1,000 active proxies in seconds, but you must follow one crucial usage boundary to stay compliant. Its multi-protocol support covers SOC KS5 and V2RE, giving you regularly refreshed lists for immediate privacy routing. The system automatically generates subscription URLs containing fresh proxies, so your endpoints stay continuously updated without manual scraping. You can complete client setup on Windows using V2RE or configure Foxy Proxy for quick automated browser switching. Developers can contribute by submitting reliable proxy sources or reporting broken feeds to improve overall network stability. Remember the disclaimer that this tool is for educational purposes only, as maintainers are not responsible for user actions. Automate web data extraction using the AI browser agent in oxylabs-ai-studio-js, but how do you limit multi-page crawling? This JavaScript SDK lets your applications connect seamlessly to API services for intelligent data extraction across websites. Perform installation by running npm install to add the package directly into your project setup. For quick environment setup, configure your API key values in a local env file or export them directly. Call generate schema on a scraper to extract specific page elements using natural language prompts. Finally, test crawl output.json demonstrates crawling target pages while setting return sources limit to cap collected sources. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.